we present you a new video. Fixing the cigarette lighter, fuse location on VW Touareg 2019 inch. As you can see, there is no power supply to the lighter. The fuse box is located on the left side under the footwell trim. Use a TX30 to remove the screw. This is the fuse box. Remove the fuse cover. Check which fuse is blown. The fuse is 30 amps, replace it. The lighter works now. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order, do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.